In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an RSS feed to your Squarespace website. Whether you want to keep your audience updated with your latest blog posts or deliver fresh content from an external source, integrating an RSS feed can be a powerful way to enhance your site's functionality. Let's dive into it and guide you through the process step by step, ensuring even beginners can follow along without a hitch. First things first, log into your Squarespace account and navigate to your website editor. This is where we'll access all the tools needed to configure your site. Once there, you'll need to decide where you want to place the RSS feed on your site. Whether it's on a specific page or within a particular section of your website, go ahead and head over to that area within your website editor. Next, look for the option to Add Block. This is one of the most versatile features in Squarespace, giving you the ability to insert various types of content into your pages. When you click on Add Block, a menu will appear showcasing a variety of content options you can choose from, such as images, text, and more. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the RSS block, so you'll want to locate and click on the option labeled RSS. Upon clicking RSS, Squarespace will prompt you to enter the RSS feed URL. This might come from your own blog or another site you're interested in pulling content from. Make sure the URL you provide is correct. RSS feeds typically end with an XML extension. Providing an incorrect URL could lead to errors or failure in displaying the desired content. Once you've input your RSS feed link, you'll see a preview of how the content will appear on your site. Take a moment to review the display settings. You can usually tweak these to better fit the style and design of your website, ensuring a seamless blend with your existing content. If everything looks good and aligns with your preferences, it's time to save your changes. Finally, click on Save to apply the RSS feed to your page. Ensuring this step is completed will activate the feed for visitors to start seeing the content you've just integrated. Remember, if at any point you wish to make changes to the RSS block, simply return to the editor, make your adjustments, and save again. And there you have it. You've successfully added an RSS feed to your Squarespace website. This feature not only amplifies your site's content offering, but also helps in engaging your audience with regular updates right at their fingertips. Keep exploring other features within Squarespace to further enhance your website's functionality and visual appeal. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.